Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Aditya.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with your interview attitude. How are you doing today?
It's well, ma'am. Well going day.
So how was your day since morning? What have you done?
For me, it was a good day. I started with the internship and training, which was first of jQuery, which was the part of HTML, CSS, and web development. And later, I completed my C programming training just right now.
Okay, great. So we'll quickly chat. Can you tell me a little
Excuse me,
introduction
ma'am. You are not audible properly.
Okay. 1 minute.
Please wait a minute.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Better? Okay. Fair enough. So can you tell me about yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Aditya Pasgare. I basically belong to Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my mechanical engineering from Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, which was affiliated for Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University. And same, I completed my schoolings as well from Nagpur. Then coming towards my family includes parents and elder brother. My strengths are I am a generous person and empathetic person, and weakness is that I am sometimes I inability to delegate some amount of work which was included in my strengths. My short term goal is to get a good job where I can utilize my skills and knowledge, whatever I am having, and my long term goal is to uh, achieve that dream whatever I have seen that. And currently I'm pursuing training and internship in web development and digital marketing in PSK Technologies Private Limited in Nagpur. So this is all about myself now.
Okay. So Aditya, when I ask you about yourself, can you tell me briefly what exactly you want? I mean, I understand your strengths, weakness, and other details, but what exactly Aditya is all about? Can you tell me that?
Aditya is all about.
I mean, in terms of your personality, what kind of personality?
Okay. Aditya is all about as I'm studying and as I'm applying my knowledge towards the IT field. So I'm that much important guy to the organization where I can help to organization in very well manner to uphold their tasks and so the things can manage well.
Okay.
And once again, as my strengths are, I'm empathetic and empathetic person. So it will be used in some leadership qualities, which will able to delegate some work in IT sector as well.
Okay. Fine. So Aditya, if I ask you, what is your dream job? What exactly you want to do in your career? So where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? It's a different question. But what is your dream job? What do you want to do?
As far as I believe, I'm currently pursuing web development as this is my career scope. So I think I have to work in various sectors, like as I'm studying digital marketing as well, web hosting as well, in web development as well. So I like to conduct, uh, I like to work uh, in major companies which include these services.
Okay. So can you name any 3 companies which are working on this, which are considered to be top in web development?
Some of the web development companies includes Deloitte and some Webakruti, which has their international market as well. So only 2 companies I know up till now.
Okay. So when you talk about your skills, how your skills are helpful for you to complete this task, web development, and how your personality helps you to bond with this job?
Yes, ma'am. When we are doing any project work related to web development or web hosting, then such a good leader has some qualities to empathize their team leaders or their colleagues. So these are my strengths, which improves the quality time towards organization or my time as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you have given your introduction, you have done your BE from mechanical side.
Yes, ma'am.
And then shift the divergence towards your web development side. So why this paradigm shift which you have done?
Yes, ma'am. I did my mechanical engineering, but as far as my interest towards, and currently in the era, all branches are interrelated. So in mechanical engineering, there are some subjects like CAD, that is computer aided design, and mechatronics, which are equally connected to programming and their related work. So I think I am able to understand the programming and coding. So that's what I believe I can achieve in coding as well.
Okay. Got it. So let's talk about little bit more about your family background. So can you brief me about your family background as well?
Yes, ma'am. I belong to middle class family. I have a parents and elder brother. My elder brother is in merchant navy, and that's it. That about my family.
Okay. So you're basically from Nagpur, you
Yes,
said,
ma'am.
right? Okay. So can you tell me a little bit about Nagpur then? How is Nagpur as a city?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
And what did you learn from the people there?
Nagpur is considered as one of the hottest city in the world in summertime. And whenever people go in Delhi or some other regions, cold regions, and they feel humid as well. So this is one of the parameter. And talking about famous places, so we have a 0 mile that will considered as an initial point to measure all the places. And Nagpur is one of the most this is third tier city. Now metro is ongoing, construction is going on, and little bit development are also going on towards the major city. And some types of food are also famous. That is tari poha is famous in Nagpur. So
Okay.
people always like it as a tari poha. That's it.
Okay. So usually they eat spicy food, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So being considered you from Nagpur city, uh, have you ever thought about relocating yourself to some other city for a job purpose, or you're looking more keen towards going for Nagpur as a location?
Uh, as far as I'm fresher candidate, if I will get opportunity from your company or any other organization, so I will relocate for my experience. So this will be a great opportunity if I will relocate to their places for certain experience purpose. Nagpur is not an initial uh, argument for me to job there.
No, I missed that part.
What?
Yeah. What is your expectation from the organization who is hiring you?
My expectation will be at least what company look towards me as I'm very worst fitted in that role, or I am able to delegate that work very efficiently. Uh, so ma'am, that will be my expectation.
Okay, that would be, our expectation from you. But what is your expectation from the company? Definitely expect whatever we work, it should be completed in a timeline. But what is your expectation from the company? What should company do for you?
My expectations will be I don't know exactly as I'm not experienced in any company. That's why.
As a fresher, you don't have any expectation. Just take me in. Okay?
salary should be expected as a fresher candidate.
That's an honest answer. I will say salary. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay. So Aditya, when we, can you tell me how you will differentiate about the timelines? For example, sometimes organization ask you to do some extra work, you know. So how will you consider it? Will you be kind of a person who wants to go ahead with like 9 to 6 job, or you can extend your hours to go ahead?
Yes, ma'am. I accept I might be not different from other candidates, like as you told. But as far as uh, uh, as far as in my view, I am coachable and I am teachable and I am hunger to learn new things. Whatever organization looking towards in me, so that will be my answer. Uh, I am teachable. That's why I am agreeing. Uh, Whatever organization deserve from me, and if
Okay.
I'm smart enough to do work within 9 to 5 job, then I will do that very efficiently.
Very good. All right. So Aditya, just
Yes, ma'am.
one question which I need to check with you. Okay. You're being a fresher, right?
Yes.
Do you have any work experience, any part-time work experience, or any experience?
Ma'am, actually, before joining IT internship in web development and digital marketing, I had worked with one of the BPO company, and that is Vindhya E-Infomedia Private Limited, which was situated in Nagpur. So I had worked them only for 2 months. Our
Okay.
client was Bajaj Finance Limited. So I worked as a only team associate, and that's it.
Okay. And what was your profile there? What was your profile?
Agent, ma'am, only email associate.
Agent. Okay. So what was your profile? What exactly you do in that?
Uh, it was a customer service BPO, ma'am. So I have to only question, I have to only answer to a customer whatever query they are raising towards us in uh, debit card related transaction, credit card related transactions, and some amount of unsecured and secured loans.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Fine. So when have you started this web developing course, and how much time it takes to complete?
It will. I have started in up to 4 months now. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, and it will take around 8 to 10 months, including those 4 months. Now remaining
Mhm.
6 to 4.
Okay. So what do you think that
Yes.
after completion of this course, you will join as a fresher? So what kind of a role you need to do in the organization? What is your expectation?
My expectation was after completing this course, so I will join as a web developer, or with respect to that, I am learning digital marketing as well. So
Mhm.
in digital marketing, I am that much interested. So I will work as a digital marketer as
Okay. Okay. That's fine from my end. Any questions do you have for me?
well. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Aditya. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.